Okay, non-heads. We got a shift lever here. Tank shift lever. It's really long, so maybe it's for a VL RL instead of a knuckle head or a 45 or a panhead. Looks pretty long. Let's see what we got. I'll have to go upstairs to get another one to compare it to. I don't feel like doing that. As I recall, this had a custom ball on it. This wasn't super expensive, but it wasn't cheap. And I figured, the hell with it. Let's just take a go for it and see what's going on. Worst in the world is I got screwed because I bought a repop part. So, it's a shift lever. Didn't look like it's chewed out. They obviously took a grinder to it on the chrome. It's bent a little bit. This does not have the beading in here like the 40s and up later stuff is. This is flat all the way across. So this is like a 30s lever. And this has a custom knob like a 30s bike would have on it too. It's obviously been chrome plated. It doesn't look like a Taiwan Teddy chrome plating. And I could tell it was well used too, so that was another indicator it might be a Harley part. You never know. So, the way I tell these apart is, if they bend, they're Taiwan Teddy. If they don't want to bend, they're Harley. Like most things. Harley stuff is heat treated, aftermarket stuff is butter. So this is already bent right here. We go in the vise. See how springy that is? That's Harley part. See, it's still not straight. Took out about half of it. You know, the Taiwan Teddy part, you'll have a 90-degree bend. Whoa, moved that time. When it moved, it moved. Okay, now we're pretty straight. So this has a cutout of an older style tank. We just happen to have an old tank laying around here. Yeah, well, part of one, I should say. I don't know if I would call that a tank, but it looks like a tank. Turn some noise off around here. And I should have blasted that. So this is a VL RL gas tank, 30 to 36. So that's what that is. Now, if we go back in here and grab us a panhead tank, because we don't got no knucklehead tanks around here. We got a lot of panhead tanks laying around. We need a left side one. Here's a left side one. Yeah, that looks like one. Yeah, it looks like about a 62 to 64 tank. Alright. Where we at? Oh, new dent. That was a bad bounce. Banged it inside the bench. Oh well. More stuff to fix. Yep, there you go. Yeah, that's a good tank. It didn't bend it. See? Harley metal. Strong. Takes a hit, keeps ticking. I wasn't losing any sleep over it anyway. What do you want for a $400 gas tank? One side. Okay. So, here's your tank, your shifter. Here's your panhead tank. See, it doesn't really fit it. Doesn't quite fit. Wrong shape. VL tank, 45 tank. See how it fits it? I think it's made for it. Doesn't have any up and down, just rolls in it. So there we go. See, this does come with some value. Got some pinholes there after I took the rust out. That was a $125 screw up buying that. Plus shipping. So see, it comes in handy as a tool. Now I know. If you don't have junk laying around, you don't know what fits what. So there you go. You can see the difference in the tanks between the two sides. One's a lot lower than the other, obviously. One's a lot shorter than the other, too. Yeah, quite a bit of difference there. Of course, we're missing part of the other tank, but the tank comes up a little higher than that. But anyway, you can see how that works. So, it's right in there like it's made for it. There you go. So that's a VL shift lever. I like it. That was a good buy. I'm happy. Kind of makes up for that piece of crap down there. Because this didn't sell for a lot of money because nobody knew what the hell it was. And it's a problem, you got chrome stuff. You don't know if it's been chromed or it's aftermarket chrome because it's aftermarket crap. So it looks like it fits the tank pretty good. Also, the later tanks, this tends to bend over a little bit more a lot of times. A few more degrees over, but not too much more. But I think a lot of that has to do with how people bend stuff. So when you got a brand new lever, they're usually like this. They're not bent real far over. See how nice straight that is now. It's bent pretty good. That's a pretty good part. So that's how you tell the aftermarket parts. Alright, there you go. Alright, I'm back. Go ahead and blasted that lever. Look how much better it looks now. Get all that nasty chrome off of there. I'll probably paint it black tomorrow. It's only worn a little bit right there in the front. In the stop. It's usable away and everything. So I'll put some black paint on that, make it look pretty. It should be good to go. I don't like going home early, it's not quite through yet, so that's the dark 3 a.m. Blaster going all night up to 75 degrees, so probably supposed to be like 65 outside. Oh well. Alright, well there you go. Lever's all cleaned up, nice and pretty. I got a nice 53 Panda case all blasted up too. That was a pain in the ass doing also. A little breakage issue, but oh well. Feel like breakage issues. Alright, there you go. That's what it looks like.